Jobs that will disappear next 10 years, or impacted. Due to advancements in
artificial intelligence and changes in industries, some of the roles at risk include 1. Data entry clerks. Automation tools and AI can process large amounts of data more efficiently. 2. Retail cashiers. Self-checkout systems and automated retail services are becoming more common. 3. Telemarketers. AI-powered chatbots and voice assistants are replacing human agents. 4. Bank tellers. The rise of online banking and ATMs is reducing the need for in-person transactions. 5. Assembly line workers. Robotics and advanced manufacturing techniques are automating factory work. 6. Drivers. Taxi, truck, delivery. Autonomous vehicles and drones could eventually replace human drivers. 7. Travel agents. Online booking platforms allow travelers to plan and book trips without human assistance. 8. Postal workers. With digital communication and automated sorting, traditional postal services are shrinking. 9. Fast food workers. Automation in fast food kitchens and self-service kiosks are likely to reduce these roles. 10. Print journalists. The shift to digital media has decreased demand for traditional print journalism. While these jobs may decline, new opportunities are likely to rise in fields related to technology, AI, data science, renewable energy, and healthcare.